I suspect we'll probably trade around this area for a little while between this 70, let's go 79 to 80, and then push a little bit higher. Okay, so we could retest that 91. If we can beat that, then we could head as high as 100.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. We are going to have a look at the price of US crude oil, London gas, and natural gas. Okay, so we're going to start with the US crude. On the month, we can see it's in the green. Okay, so let's go into the daily and have a closer look. So on the daily, what we have here, it's we've hit this zone, this area here, which was the 67, which we mentioned that price could be potentially heading back to, which it did, and it's bounced. Okay, so it's headed a lot higher. It's moved away from this price, and it ended up at 92, and it's now come back in. However, we can see there's a trend line that we've put in that is now supporting price. So it's gone up, it's come back in, and it's hit this trend line, and it's bounced. We have a lot of support for US crude around the 79, so 79 to 78, plenty of support. I suspect we'll probably trade around this area for a little while between this 70, let's go 79 to 80, and then push a little bit higher. Okay, so we could retest that 91. If we can beat that, then we could head as high as 100. I don't see the price going above 100 for now, so let's keep an eye on it. The reason why I say I don't see the price going above 100 is you've got that top there, that top there, that top there. So every time the price has touched this trend line, it's backed away. So I don't see anything really changing. We've got this line, so we just need to keep an eye on this trend line, and this trend line eventually, if it comes to around here, something will have to give. Okay, what we have to give, we'll just have to keep an eye on it and see what happens. So it could be that we get to around here, pops up, or it drops back down. And if it drops down, we know the 80, 75, 76, you've got plenty of support, and then you've got the lower support of 66. Okay, so for now, I suspect that US crude will head a little bit higher to that 91 to 92, and then let's see what happens from there. Okay, so now let's have a look at London gas oil. So on the month, as you can see, London gas oil again has rallied up and is in the green. So let's have a look at the daily. So on the daily, as you can see, we had this parallel channel which we've actually broken above. Okay, when the price was coming down, we had the middle of the parallel channel which supported the price. We then discovered this trend line, which is from here to there, and we followed it up. Now you've got an X, so lots of support around this 850, 880 zone, and we've managed to consolidate, hold, and we've gone back up. Okay, this zone here, which is the 974, lots of resistance, but as you can see, we've popped above it. We've tried to come back in, but then we've hit the top of this parallel channel. Okay, and now we've gone higher. Now we've put in a different parallel channel. So we start from this bottom area here, touching here, and we've gone to the top, which is this area here. So can the price get to 1,400 and maybe push a little bit higher to the 1,600 price? Maybe. We'll just have to wait and see. But if you look to this parallel channel, it's a probability that we could get there. So you've got the bottom, top, bottom, and the top. So let's see what happens. Can it get to the top? Who knows? If it breaks back down, we know we've got these areas of support. So the 960 to 970 will be your area of support. Okay. Now let's have a look at natural gas. The natural gas, it's down on the month, so it's in the red. However, if I just zoom a little bit closer, so on the month we can see this green candle. We had this red, we've got this red. However, this green candle is still actually in play. The reason why I say it's in play, the red candle on the month needs to settle below it, and so far it's not below it. Okay, it hasn't settled. Let's see where it settles. If it settles below this green, then we could be negative in August for natural gas. So let's go in a little bit closer and see what we can find. Yeah, so on here I've actually discovered a parallel channel, and that's going back to 2023. So as you can see, I've drawn in a parallel channel. So we've got a top, bottom, okay, and it's hit the bottom again here, very close to the bottom again here, but you can see top and top. Okay, so what's to say that from hitting the top here, bottom, hitting the top here, hitting the top here, hitting the bottom, it might end up going to 5,500. Okay. The other thing that is still in play, we've got the reverse head and shoulder. It's still in play because it hasn't cleared this head. So, and the parallel channel, we can see the line is 2,571. Okay, the top is 2,471. So as long as this area doesn't go below this price here, that's still in play. I suspect that if this parallel channel plays out, okay, we could be maybe close to the bottom of the price on natural gas, and we could head potentially high in August to a minimum, I would say the 3,500. If we can break that, then we could head much higher. Okay, so let's just keep an eye on that. As I said, this parallel channel, I've discovered it, so let's see how it plays out. Okay, so if you like the video, if you can like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification to be notified of our latest video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.